Madam Alma Tatiana. Association of Canada. Yeah, what's up? And now, last but not the least, let us welcome Mount Carmel Filipino Seventh-day Adventist Church. This is live from Montreal.
Live from Montreal.
Lola Queen 2024, let us welcome.
Hi.
Oh. Sir James de la Paz of Founders.
Hi, 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 hi.
Sir James de la Paz.
Ito po yung... Ay, grabe! Hi! Happy Independence Day!
And now, let us welcome Mrs. Thomas 2020.